In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes in Genspark AI Slides. First, open Genspark and sign into your account so you have access to your projects. Once you're in, head to AI Slides. This is where your presentations live, and it's the space designed for creating and refining your decks. Open the presentation you want to edit so you're working directly inside the file that needs speaker notes. Next, choose the specific slide where you want to add notes. Clicking on a slide in the thumbnail panel will bring it into focus in the editor. It's best to start with a slide that will benefit most from guidance, perhaps a complex chart or a key takeaway you don't want to forget to explain. Now look for the notes area or a presentation details panel. In many layouts, the notes pane appears below the main slide canvas or as a panel on the right side of the screen. It may be labeled Notes, Speaker Notes, or Presentation Details. If you don't immediately see it, check for a toggle or an icon that reveals slide notes. The goal is to find the dedicated space where your talking points will live during presenter view. Once the notes section is visible, start adding your talking points. Keep your notes concise and supportive, not a script you have to read word for word. Use short sentences or brief phrases that prompt your memory, like transitions you plan to say, examples you want to include, or definitions that clarify jargon. If the slide contains numbers or names that are easy to mix up, include them here exactly as you plan to say them. You can add light structure with line breaks for pacing. Think about timing too. Roughly note where to pause and emphasize the most important message you want your audience to remember. After drafting notes for one slide, review them for clarity and tone, then move through the rest of your slides, refining as you go. Aim for consistency in style and length so your delivery feels smooth. Make sure the notes align with the content on each slide and help you speak naturally without overwhelming you. When you're happy with the notes, save your presentation. If autosave is enabled, changes may already be captured, but it's always smart to click save to confirm your updates. That's it. Your presentation now has clear, helpful speaker notes ready for a confident delivery.